Welcome to our comprehensive stock analysis of Apple, where we review the recent performance of AAPL stock and unveil its growth potential as we approach 2024. Before we begin, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, we'd like to remind you that our presentation on Apple stock, as well as all our other movies, are for educational and informational purposes only. Potential investors are urged to consult a professional and registered financial advisor in their jurisdiction before investing capital in stocks. The value of investments can decrease as well as increase, and investors can lose the original amount invested. Past performance is never a fully reliable indicator of future results. Many would agree that Apple, a technology giant, has continued to dominate the consumer market with its innovative products and services. Understandably, the success of the products has translated into success in the stock market. In this video, we will first review the performance of Apple stock in the past several years. Then we'll delve into some of the reasons behind the success of the company. Finally, we will conclude our presentation by looking ahead and discussing what long-term investors can expect of Apple shares in 2024. How Apple stock performed in 2023? AAPL stock investors have enjoyed an exceptional performance in 2023, with the stock increasing by approximately 50% year-to-date. This up move in Apple shares was quite similar to the move in a number of other large-cap technology stocks that are widely watched by investors. When we look at a weekly chart of Apple stock, we note that in the final months of 2021, shares were hovering around $150. Then AAPL stock, like many other technology names, had a choppy year in 2022. Apple shares started 2023 around $130. Now, almost a year later, as of date, they are around $190. And if you go back 10 years, to the end of 2013, Apple stock was around $20, after accounting for stock splits. Obviously, it is hard to argue with that kind of a performance. What are some of the reasons behind the success of Apple's stock? Let's now take a closer look at the factors that contribute to Apple's success. Firstly, their diverse product portfolio. From iPhones to iPads, MacBooks to Apple Watches, Apple consistently delivers products that captivate the global market. This variety has led a wide customer base, fostering continued growth for the company. Secondly, many analysts point out to Apple's commitment to cutting-edge technology, which sets the company apart from its peers. Apple invests heavily in research and development. Some of these innovations include Face ID, the A-series chips, and advancements in artificial intelligence. Moreover, Apple's services revenue has been increasing fast. With offerings like Apple Music, Apple TV Plus, and Apple Arcade, management is capitalizing on the growing demand for digital entertainment. These services not only generate recurring revenue, but also strengthen customer loyalty and expand the company's ecosystem. Let's not forget about Apple's strong financial position. With a robust balance sheet, Apple can invest in new ventures, acquire promising companies, and return value to its shareholders through dividends and share buybacks. Despite these impressive achievements, many on Wall Street point out that Apple can still grow and innovate in the coming years as well, expanding into emerging markets and leveraging their technologies in new industries, such as healthcare and autonomous vehicles, could fuel further growth. What to expect from Apple stock in 2024? When we are analyzing Apple stock, it would be important to look at the company in two segments. The first is iPhones, which comprise about half of the company's sales, and the rest comes from everything else, including services. As we take a closer look at earnings figures for fiscal 2023, we note that iPhone sales were not as strong as Wall Street would like. In fact, total revenues from the product declined year over year in every quarter. Yet, the services segment, which is about a quarter of total revenues, was robust. What is in the services segment? For example, sales in the App Store. In addition, advertising revenue as well as Apple TV Plus, Apple Care and cloud services. Therefore, what will likely determine how Apple stock moves in 2024 will be earnings growth. In 2023, earnings continued to grow, albeit slowly. As a result, investors were happy to reward Apple shares with a big premium. At present, the P/E ratio stands at well over 30. In 2024, Wall Street would like to see growing revenues, especially in iPhones, its flagship product, as well as growing earnings. Otherwise, Apple shares may not be able to repeat the stellar performance of 2023. In conclusion, Apple stock offers long-term investors a compelling opportunity for growth. Its diversified product portfolio, commitment to innovation, flourishing services revenue, strong financial position, and untapped potential make it an attractive investment. However, in the short run, markets fluctuate. Tech shares can especially be volatile. As a result, returns on Apple stock can differ from month to month and year to year. Therefore, as a potential or current Apple stock investor, you should continue to exercise caution and do due diligence. Yet patient long-term investors are likely to continue to be part of Apple's success story. Thanks for watching our Apple stock analysis. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.